Today, friends, you watched the same short video to review what transparent, translucent, and opaque objects are. These objects are different because they allow different amounts of light to pass through them. So today we are going to focus on translucent and opaque objects. So translucent means light can pass through it and you can see through it, but you can't see through it clearly. So an example might be like a glass jar or a jar. You can see through it, but sometimes it's a little foggy or blurry. Another example would be sunglasses. Sunglasses allow light to pass through, but not all of the light, and it makes things a little bit more foggy and less clear. Opaque objects are objects that you cannot see through at all. No light passes through them. So today for your assignment, you're going to type your first and last name, and you're going to complete these sentences below and upload a picture of your response. So you're going to do this with a pencil and paper and upload a picture. You're going to write 2 sentences today. An object that is translucent is blank, and an object that is opaque is blank. And I want you guys to draw a picture to match whatever words you put in the blank.